Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Corolla front brake pads. First, let's ensure you have all the necessary tools for a smooth and safe process. You'll need a floor jack, jack stands, and a lug wrench. For the caliper bolts, a 14mm socket or wrench is essential. Don't forget a C-clamp or a dedicated brake piston tool to compress the caliper piston. Also, have brake cleaner, caliper grease, and your new brake pads on hand. Now, let's prepare your Corolla for the brake pad replacement. Always start by parking your car on a level surface and engaging the parking brake for safety. Before lifting, loosen the lug nuts on the front wheels. Then, use your floor jack to safely raise the front of the car and secure it firmly with jack stands. Next, remove the two 14mm caliper bolts and carefully lift the caliper. Remember to hang the caliper securely to prevent any stress on the brake hose. Finally, remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads removed, it's time to install the new ones. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the caliper bracket and lubricating the slide pins with fresh caliper grease. Next, use a C-clamp or a specialized piston tool to compress the caliper piston, making room for the thicker new pads. Install your new brake pads, ensuring the wear indicator is correctly positioned. Reattach the brake caliper, tightening the two 14mm bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Finally, torque the caliper bracket bolts to 79 foot-pounds for secure fastening. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel, tightening the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. Once the wheel is on, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm, restoring pressure to the system. Check your brake fluid reservoir and adjust the level to the max line if necessary. Finally, perform a brake bedding procedure by making several moderate stops from 35 to 45 miles per hour, avoiding complete stops. After bedding, drive for 5 to 10 minutes without braking to allow the components to cool completely, preventing rotor warping.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.